hopefully it stays recording this time. But we're gonna try to have a bit of a POV drive here. I know the camera's kind of back a little far, but that's really the best I could do, because when it was up here or in between, it was falling all over the place and bouncing around. Back there, it seems to be pretty stable. Yeah, you guys are looking stable back there, so this is sweet. So now I can drive. Yes, sir. And I think you guys should be able to see what's in front of me as well. Just sitting there posted in that parking lot, so I'm not going to go too crazy right now. To be honest with you, as you guys know from my other video, my license isn't the best, so how crazy I'm going to go, I don't really know, but we'll definitely have some fun. My plan is to I'm going to cut up in traffic, but I'm going to do it slow and smooth kind of cut-ups, not aggressive, crazy cut-ups, because it's just better for the sake of getting in trouble. I hope you can hear those downshifts. Uh-oh, there's a lot of cars coming. I have no traction. My wheels do not want to stick to the ground at all. I need new tires, and on top of that, it rained out a little bit, so the ground is a little wet. And it is a Sunday, so unfortunately, like normally I would say fortunately, but since I'm recording this video, I kind of want there to be a little traffic. But it being a Sunday, there is not going to be much. Now, just for the sake of a sound test, I'm going to do one little pull with the back windows cracked, just to see how it sounds on the video. The front windows a little bit. This guy next to me in the Audi A4 is revving at me. choice but to go fast when coming out of this exit right here, because there's not much of an entry. So you got to kind of hope you have room. Specifically cutting me off now. There he goes. Man. might be either part of a vlog or its own separate video, but either way, I want to let you guys know I appreciate you guys for watching. This was a POV drive in my M6. Hopefully I can do more soon in regards to number one, POV drives in different cars, and then also maybe even going ahead and doing the modifications for this car. So just to get you guys an update, just so you guys know, it being today's Sunday, on Thursday, the guy that was originally supposed to help me out with getting the wing off my car, that never answered me, I actually messaged him again on like a last whim effort before I try and do it myself. Like, yo man, you got any openings? And he was like, yo, I'm sorry I didn't message you. Come through on Thursday and we'll get it taken care of. So that's sweet for me. The only thing that sucks about that is I'm not going to be able to record myself taking it off. But other than that, man, I should have that new wing on soon. So you'll have a before and after of that, of course. And the wing's going to look really good on the car, so I can't wait until that's done. And yeah, man, that's the new updates. I got my buddy at work has a GR Supra, brand new 2020 GR Supra, fully loaded, so I'm going to make a short and maybe even a vlog about that car soon, so stay tuned for that. But like I say, man, I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see y'all later, alright?